Hi, I'm Kirsty and I'm from Gutsy Mums, and today I'm going to show you how to make sauerkraut at home. So what you need to make sauerkraut is one whole green or purple cabbage and then any other vegetables that you would like to go with the sauerkraut. So today we're actually using carrot, apple, ginger and turmeric. Thinly slice the sauerkraut and then grate all your other vegetables ready to go. And after that point, we're actually going to massage that cabbage for about 10 minutes with some Himalayan rock salt. After you've massaged the cabbage and drawn out enough of the brine to submerge the cabbage, you actually then go ahead and add the rest of your vegetables. And then you're going to find a nice glass vessel and you're going to push that cabbage mixture so that the brine comes up over the cabbage. And then you're going to leave it on your workbench for a minimum of 14 days, up to 21 days, depending on the tanginess that you like. And that's going to actually ferment the cabbage mixture and create this beautiful probiotic rich food that is really good and healthy for your gut.